Today is World Blood Donor Day. It serves as a reminder of the impact more than 2.5 million people make every year. Donations are critically important, and the Red Cross is entering everyone who donates for a chance at several prizes. Joining us now live is Matthew Ochsner with the Idaho and Montana Red Cross. Matthew, thanks for joining us. And first of all, I guess just explain more in general, what is World Blood Donor Day?
Yeah, World Blood Donor Day is just a great opportunity to recognize and to thank all our amazing blood donors out there, and also a chance just to raise awareness of how important blood donation is and hopefully bring some new first-time donors through the door.
And so how can people help out?
You know, it's very easy. We have over 2,000 blood drives across Idaho every year. And in order to find a blood drive, we just encourage people to go to our website, redcrossblood.org, and enter their zip code and make an appointment and come out and donate it. A donation takes less than an hour from start to finish, and a single donation can save up to 3 lives. So it's a pretty good use of an hour of your day.
So why is it important for those who can donate blood to do so now? Is there a shortage at this time?
You know, summer is always a difficult time for us to collect blood. We collect a lot of blood at schools and universities, and when schools and universities are out, it's challenging. We also are seeing people hit the road for summer vacation. But that being said, the need for that life-saving blood never takes a summer break. And every 2 seconds, somebody in this country, whether it be an expecting mom or a cancer patient or somebody undergoing surgery, is counting on that blood being on hospital shelves when they need it.
And how about for people who can't donate blood? Is there a way for them to help on National Blood Donor Day and now in this concentrated time between now and the 30th?
You know, just help get the word out. You know, it's a very small percentage of the population that can donate does, unfortunately. So just help spread the word to friends and family. If you work in a business or organization, civic group that can maybe host a blood drive, consider doing that. So there's lots of ways you can help, even if you can't donate. Or 90% of our workforce at the Red Cross are volunteers, and that includes volunteers who help greet and welcome donors as they come through the door at blood drives, and also volunteers who help transport the blood collected at blood drives back to our facilities and then help them distribute it to the hospitals that depend on it.
And we had the information there on the screen for how people can help out as well as register for some of those cool prizes you're going to be offering through the 30th. Matthew, I mentioned that you're with the Red Cross of Idaho and Montana. We've been reporting on this severe flooding in Montana. How is the Red Cross responding to that emergency?
Yeah, it's a rough situation for many Montanans right now. Red Cross has 3 shelters open across the state, just helping provide for people's most immediate needs, whether it be, of course, shelter, food, but also connect them with other resources like mental health support, spiritual care. We can help replace medications, eyeglasses, things like that were left behind during a hasty evacuation.
And will you be calling for more volunteers perhaps to head into that zone?
Yeah, we're middle of flooding right now. We've got, unfortunately, wildfire season right around the corner, and we can always use more volunteers and communities across our region to step up and help people during disaster. So we encourage people to raise their hand and come help out.
Well, keep up the good work with the Red Cross. We certainly appreciate you and all the volunteers and staff there. This is Matthew Ochsner with the Red Cross of Idaho and Montana. Thanks for your time today.
Thank you.